So what is Flare as a layer one? So Flare is a layer one. So it's like other blockchains: Ethereum, Cosmos, Avalanche, Bitcoin, XRP, etc. It integrates the Ethereum virtual machine. This is essentially the system that powers smart contracts on Ethereum, but it also powers smart contracts on Flare. The Ethereum virtual machine is used by the majority of developers in the space, but of course Flare can change that virtual machine through governance should an alternative virtual machine come along that is superior. But unlike other layer ones, Flare has two important core native protocols. The first is called the Flare Time Series Oracle. This protocol delivers highly decentralized time series data to applications on Flare. Currently, this includes digital asset prices, but it could include any other form of time series data, such as financial prices, non-crypto financial prices, weather data, carbon emissions data, indice data, anything that moves over time. The second protocol is something we call the state connector. The state connector allows Flare to acquire information from other blockchains and the internet in a secure and decentralized manner. This data, once acquired on Flare, can then be used securely and scalably, and most importantly, trustlessly, with smart contracts that are operating on Flare.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.